Hey, what's up everybody? Thanks for downloading the Ableton Wavetable preset pack. This video I want to talk about how to install it into Live 10. There's a few ways we can do it. Here's the most useful way that I found that works for me. We're going to open up Live 10 and we're going to go to our user library section here in our places, and I'm going to right click and I'm going to go show in Finder, and then I'm going to go to our presets, instruments, and Wavetable. And where I'm going to go now is I'm going to open up another Finder window. Just hit Command N, or if you're on a PC, you can use Explorer. Navigate to where you downloaded this, the preset pack. I unzipped it, put it on my desktop right here, and I'm going to go to the presets folder. These are some projects that we gave you, and these are where the presets live right here. And now I'm going to take all of these folders and I'm going to place them into this Wavetable folder. But before I do that, I'm actually going to create a new folder. And I'm just going to label this BD for beat drop, because then I can make a number of different preset folders for maybe there's stuff that I make down the road, but these are from beat drop. And I'm going to go over here, select bass, hold down shift, click the last folder, and then I'm going to drag them down into my folder here and place them into the BD folder. So now when I go back to my user library in Live, if I click off it, come back, go to presets, go to Wavetable. Now I have my BD folder and I have all the presets right here. I can bring these out now, drop them on, and away I go. I turn on my keyboard here. So that's one way you can install these, and now they're ready to go. And then you could even, as you enjoy some of these, you can right click, remember, and you can label these now, which Ableton Live 10 allows us to do. So that's one way to do this and to install them. Otherwise, you can just drag them straight from Finder as well. If you go to the folder, you can say Dirty the Third, go back to Live, drop it onto a MIDI track, and that's a way to do it. So that's just one way, or actually two ways you can use the Ableton Wavetable preset pack. Make sure to also check out our Wavetable course that we've developed. It's a 2-hour course. It's fantastic, created by Ableton certified trainer Isaac Kotek, and we probably have sent you a few emails on that already. It's really inexpensive. It's like 2 hours, and it'll give you a really good understanding of how the Wavetable synth works, how to navigate the matrix, how to make some really interesting sounds. So check that out. Thanks.
Do you want to make really interesting, intricate, crazy synth sounds? Well then, this is a course for you. We're going to be going over Ableton Live's Wavetable. Came out with Ableton Live 10, and this thing is amazing. It is super smooth to use from a user perspective. The sounds you can get of it are incredibly intricate and just a powerful tool to have in our arsenal as sound designers and producers using Ableton Live. In this course, we're going to go step by step on the different parts and pieces that make up the Wavetable synth and how you can use it to make the sounds that are in your head, crackling, moving around in there, and put them into your music. We're going to be going over some of the basics of Wavetable synths, history, how we can start building patches, using some of the more advanced features, and then at the end we're going to start building presets DIY style, so you can follow along and make these things, learn why we made those decisions, and then from there you're going to be able to just take this knowledge and start making the sounds that you want and putting them into your music. So check out this course on Ableton Live's Wavetable and let's start making sounds.